This is a 2012 A7. It has a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, a clean non-smoker interior. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a built-in iPod integration cable, commercial-free satellite radio, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking differential, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, 19-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, leather seats, aluminum door sills, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Hiley Buick GMC is located at 3535 West Loop 820 South in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.